Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new one glass door refrigerator display units. Okay, brand on these units are all company brand Cooler Depot. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this unit out for you. I'll also measure the inside for you on this unit, starting with the length. You're looking at a total of 15 inches. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 18.5 inches. And the overall height for this unit will be a total of 63 inches high. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up the door and show you the inside. On the inside, we can locate our fan for the cooling. Also, there will be a temperature controller on the inside for this unit. Okay. You also have a switch right here, which will be for the lighting. There is going to be lighting on the inside for this unit. You also will be provided with these shelves. You have a total of 4 shelves for this unit. Now, inside the measurements for this refrigerator, front to back, you're looking at about 12.5 inches. Left to right will be 12.5 inches. And the overall height on the inside will be about 46.5. Okay, also, there is going to be a drain on the bottom for this unit. As you can locate that on the inside. Okay, lastly, I want to go ahead and show you the back. On the back, you can locate your plug at the very bottom. It is a standard US plug for this unit. Also, on the very top, we have a sticker with all the specs regarding this refrigerator, including certification. Okay, so unit is going to be certified approved by the health department. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration on this one glass door refrigerator showcase unit. If you're interested in one of these items, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this model, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.